G'day guys, it's Ryan there from Wandering Free.
And we can't wait to show you guys this beautiful place.
You.
Morning, how are you? We just pulled up at the Finch Hatton Showgrounds last night so we can have a nice warm shower. Got the maddest dew last night, it was so wet, so we're just letting the tent dry out a little bit longer this morning, have a bit of a sleep in. Starting to cook brekkie now and then we'll head into the gorge. Happy days. Looks good.
We've just started a walk into Finch Hatton Gorge, so I think it's around 1.5 to 2 hours round trip back to the car park in total, so see how we go.
That's cool, eh? Absolutely unreal. The water is just like pristine clear. That's pretty gnarly, eh?
My legs are actually quivering from how cold the water was.
It was freezing, eh?
We've just made the trek back to the car and now we're going to search for a nice spot for lunch. We just got back to the van after an awesome couple of days at Finch Hatton.
It was really good to get away in the rooftop tent. We haven't done that for a while, so that was sick.
We hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did.
Like, subscribe, you know what you're doing.